Hello everyone, my name is Akhona. I'm the rooftop farmer in 𝗙𝗲𝗁𝗁 by 𝗡𝗀𝘁 Farm. Today I'm going to show you how to harvest your own seeds from marigold, nasturtium and coriander. So we'll start with marigold. This is a marigold plant. You want to save seeds from this, you just look for a dry one. It is dry, which means the seeds are inside. This is how it looks like. Come a bit closer so I can show you. There you go. Those are your seeds. Next up is nasturtium. Nasturtium grows like weed. It's very easy to grow it and it has this big seed. That's where you get the seeds. Here's another seed. And most of the time you'll find them falling. You just find them like this. You can save this for seedlings or you can just plant directly on the soil. So when you're planting, this is what we do. You just leave one here. In a hole, just a small hole, remember. The size of the hole that you make is determined by the size of your plant. So this is a bit big, and then you just throw it here, cover it. That's it. We'll save this for seedlings. Thank you. Let's go to coriander. Coriander, you just let your plant mature. So this is a matured coriander plant. So to do seed saving for this, you have to remove the whole plant and put it outside, just to save our production space, so you can plant something else here. It smells really good. So let me go and show you a project that we're busy. So we did let this plant flower. We let it grow until it flowers. After flowering, it will start producing seeds. So these are the seeds. You can see that they are already dry. This is how your seeds will look like. So to plant these, we'll go back to the African growers and show you how to plant the coriander from seed. If you are planting on the African growers, you just need to make a dent. I wouldn't call this a hole. Remember, the size determines the hole that you're going to make. You can see that coriander seeds are very small. I did place 2 seeds there, and then you just cover it. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks with Akhona the farmer. Bye.